Your Ninja Foodie Deluxe is equipped with 9 cooking functions for endless mealtime possibilities. The pressure, steam, slow cook, and yogurt functions are used with the pressure lid. Use the sear, sauté without the lid for browning and flipping ingredients, just like on your stovetop. The air crisp, bake, roast, broil, and dehydrate functions are used with the crisping lid. To adjust the temperature or pressure level, press the temp button and turn the knob to select your desired temperature. To adjust the cooking time, press the time button and turn the knob to select your cooking time. Press the start-stop button to begin or end your cooking cycle. Use the pressure function to quickly tenderize and infuse moisture into your foods with pressurized steam. After pressure cooking your food, use the air crisp function to tender crisp your food to perfection. Use the steam function to cook foods you typically steam in a pot on your stovetop. Steam infuses moisture, seals in flavor, and maintains the texture of your foods. Use the slow cook function for low and slow cooking for chili, stews, and pulled pork. Use the yogurt function to easily create delicious yogurt. The air crisp function delivers a crispy, golden texture using little to no oil. The bake roast function allows you to cook meals in the pot as you would with your oven. The broil function used with the deluxe reversible rack finishes off your meals with caramelization and crispiness. The dehydrate function allows you to gently remove moisture from ingredients to create snacks like chips and jerky. Visit ninjakitchen.com for exciting recipe ideas to get you started. For more information, visit www.ninjakitchen.com.
But with Instant Pot, there's an affordable solution for everyone, and it all happens with the press of a button. Whether it's hearty chili, spicy curry, perfect rice, refreshing dairy or non-dairy yogurt, cheesecake, in fact, pretty much any recipe you can think of. Whatever your food preference or tastes, Instant Pot can make family meals happen with the simple push of a button. Thanks to the microprocessor-controlled programming, Instant Pot is amazingly simple to use, while also safe, convenient, clean, quiet, and fast. It's a money saver, allowing you to cost-effectively replace 6 to 7 commonly used kitchen appliances. Instant Pot is a time saver. Cooking times are 2 to 6 times faster than conventional cooking methods. Instant Pot has an all-encompassing multi-cooker with up to 7 functions, replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, food warmer, pressure cooker, steamer, sauté pan, and yes, even the yogurt maker. A single Instant Pot does the job of every one of those appliances, and more. Instant Pot's models, the Smart, the Duo, and the Luxe, are thoughtfully designed and offer affordable solutions for everyone. Instant Pot has industry-leading safety mechanisms that make it extremely safe to use and allow for peace of mind. Just press it and forget it. Features of the Instant Pot include a delay start timer, dual pressure settings, 3 adjustable modes for its lab-tested cooking programs, and an automatic keep warm. Your food will be ready when you're ready to eat. It's perfect every time. The dishwasher-safe and oven-safe stainless steel cooking pot, as opposed to the one with PTFE non-stick coating, only adds to Instant Pot's substantial health credentials. Forget fast foods, microwavable meals, and last-minute nutrition compromises. You'll be making balanced, nourishing, healthy meals for the entire family with ease, night after night. All told, it's no surprise that Instant Pot's customer reviews are generously peppered with words like love, life-changing, and magic, making it a top seller for the last 3 years running. And to accompany such a one-of-a-kind, groundbreaking product, Instant Pot's online community contains hundreds of recipes from professional chefs and health coaches of all culinary disciplines. Instant Pot is every bit the revolutionary product, but it's also so much more. It's a life upgrade for an entire household. You'll never forget the first moment you put Instant Pot in your kitchen. Instant Pot produces delicious and affordable home cooking using smart technology, which means savings on your food budget, more time to spend with your family and friends, and living a happier, healthier lifestyle. Instant Pot, tools for a new lifestyle.
Pressure cookers are great for speeding up cooking times and making your food super moist. The problem is, everything comes out mushy. They can't make your food crispy and crunchy the way air fryers can. Well, here's some exciting news. Introducing Emeril Lagasse's all-new pressure air fryer. It's a pressure cooker and air fryer all in one.
Now, with one pot, you can make any kind of meal your heart desires. The secret is in this dual lid design.
The pressure cooker airtight lid locks into place, trapping superheated steam inside. The hyper-pressurized environment forces liquid and moisture into your food. The air fryer lid has a heating element and turbofan that creates a whirlwind of superheated air. This rapid air technology gives you crispy, crunchy results. Now you can crisp the outside and keep the juicy inside.
Look at the difference between pressure-cooked chicken and pressure-cooked air-fried chicken. You can't get results like this without this pressure air-fry combo, folks.
These ribs have only been cooked under pressure, and these have been pressure air-fried. There's no comparison. What would you rather eat, pressure cooker steak or pressure air-fried steak? Now it's easy to make delicious family-sized meals, side dishes, and so much more. Pressure cook to make dishes up to 70% faster. And air fry with superheated air, not oil, for crunchy, crispy chicken that's guilt-free. Make cheese sticks with an ooey gooey center, or golden crispy fries, all with up to 70% less calories from fat. But with 44 cooking functions, this is so much more. Choose from one-touch settings for meats. Cook 6 huge sizzling burgers with no smoke. One touch for fish. Soups or stews. Boil water in minutes. It makes a perfect pasta pot. Steam nutrient-packed veggies in only minutes. One touch and it converts into a rice cooker. Make perfect white, brown, wild rice, and Emerald's favorite, jambalaya, in as little as 6 minutes. One touch for canning. It meets U.S. standards. One touch to make natural homemade yogurt. And there's even a sous vide function. This is the same method used by top chefs around the world. One touch to make 30 hard-boiled eggs. Sear cuts of meat with hot, even heating across the base. Bake pizza with sizzling hot toppings. Or ooey gooey blueberry French toast. When it's finished cooking, it automatically goes into keep warm mode, so dinner's ready when you are. Dehydrate fruit without added dyes and sugar. Make crispy onions. Perfect to top any dish. The cooking pot is stainless steel. This means it's chemical, PTFE, and PFOA free. Just rinse it or put it in your dishwasher.